Hello children, now today I am going to teach you shapes. Shapes, here some shapes are here. I am going to introduce you shapes. 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes are there. Now today we are going to learn shapes. Here round, here round. We call this shape circle. Circle. Here circle. Now your eyes, you see your eyes has a small pupil in the middle. It's like a circle. Your vehicles have 4 wheels. They are all circles, right? Now here this is also circle. We call this shape circle. Circle, right? Circle, right? Now the next one is square. Here 4 sides. All the 4 sides are equal. See, this side is also same size. This also same size. This side also same size. This side also same size. All 4 sides are same size. We call this square. What do you call? Square. Square. Now this one, circle. Circle. This one, square. Square. Circle. Square. Circle. Square. Circle. Square, right? We'll learn the next shape. Now see this side, one side, here another side 2, here another side 3. These 3 sides have this shape we call triangle. Triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Now this one has 4 sides. 4 sides, square have 4 sides. Here 4 sides. Triangle has only 3 sides. 3 sides. We call this triangle. What do you call? Triangle. This is a triangle. Circle, square, triangle. Circle, square, triangle. Circle, square, triangle. Okay? Circle, square, triangle. Those are the 3 shapes I am going to teach you in this lesson. In my next lesson, I'll come with another 2 shapes. Okay? Thank you, children.